in this video I'm going to talk about pipe in Linux command. If you want to do hands-on with me in an online Linux terminal, then you can do that at bellart.org in this link. I will provide this link in the description. So pipe, or a vertical bar in your keyboard, is used to combine two Linux command in such a way that the standard output of the first command is used as a standard input to the next command. You can use multiple pipes in a line of code so that you can combine multiple Linux command. Basically it will create a temporary connection between your two commands. So let's get to example how you can use this. So the first example will be, let's say you want to have long recursive listing of files and directories in a Linux path or in your current directory, and you have many files and subdirectories in it. So the command for recursive listing will be ls-lr. Since there are many subdirectories are there, it keeps on executing. So I have to press Ctrl C to interrupt this. But if you want to get a nice output in such a way that it will show you the output one page at a time, and then you can achieve that using pipe by combining ls-lr with more command. So let me show you ls-lr then pipe more. So you can see that it gives me the listing, and after that it waits for user input. If I press space bar in my keyboard, then it will show me the next page of information. This way you can combine these two commands using pipe to get the output nicely. So I will press Ctrl Z to come out of it. The next useful example will be, let's say you want to in your current directory or in a Linux path, you have many files and you just want to know the only the directories that are there in the current directory or a Linux path. Then if I say ls-l, then the first letter, if it is D, then it denotes that is a directory. So how you can find out those having D as the first character? For that I can use grep command, and to combine these two I will use pipe. So I will say grep, and then I will say single quote, then caret D, and then I press enter. You will see it just shows me the directories. Now to explain it, first ls-l will create the listing in the current directory. Then after that the output will be used as input to the command grep, and then the single quote to caret the upward. This symbol is called as caret symbol, and it is a regular expression, and that is used to denote that to search at the beginning of the line. So caret D means find the lines where you find D in the beginning of the line. Then also you can pipe again. Let's say I want to find out the count of the directories in my current directory. Then how can I do that? I will again pipe it to the command wc or word count with -l, and see that okay, it gives me the only output. So it's a nice output that there are 16 directories or folders in my current directory. The next example will be to find out in a file. Sometimes you will need to find out the content between certain line numbers. Let's say you have a file, and that file has data, and you want to find out the information between line number 21 to 100. Okay, then how can you do that? So let me give you the data. So I have this employee.csv, and so I have some employee information. Since this is a large file, there will be a lot of lines in it. I just want to get, so what I can do, I will say head minus 100, then employee dot csv, then I will say tail minus 80. Okay, then so it shows me only the data between 21 to 80. So to explain, first head minus 100 will get the data, first 100 records from employee.csv, then it is used as the input to the command tail, and tail will get 80 lines from the bottom. So eventually it will give you the content between line number 21 and 100. So there are many other use cases where you can use pipe to combine different commands and to achieve your task. I hope you like this video. If you like it, press the like button and ensure to subscribe for more such useful video. Thank you.